South African digital forensic investigator on Friday presented electronic evidence that prosecutors said linked to suspended first by President Dr. Machar and 7 co-accused to the alleged procurement of weapons connected to the Nasser incident, according to the report. Ratlogo Peter Calvin told the court he conducted a technical analysis of electronic data communication and record related to the alleged acquisition of arms, operational intelligence process, organized militia strategies, and the dissemination of real-time documents to international stakeholders. The testimony was delivered during the 45th session of the prosecution. Final witness led by prosecutor Gabriel Mading at Freedom Hall in Juba. Peter said his examination focused on the interpretation of digital evidence submitted to the court by Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, the lead police investigator in the case. The 47-year-old digital forensic expert told the court that the material was obtained from WhatsApp messages, photographs, and video extracted from the smartphone, a SIM card, memory stick, GPS location, data, and laptop belonging to the 8 accused. He said, while I was in South Africa on June 25, 2025, the investigative officer Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, together with other witnesses, handed over a sealed diplomatic bag. Peter said it was sealed with diplomatic special lock with the serial number. He said that upon opening the diplomatic bag, he found a smartphone, SIM card, memory sticks, and laptop, accompanied by a letter from South Sudan Minister of Foreign Affairs requesting assistance from a private company to conduct a forensic digital analysis. Peter said he created what he described as an illustration of copying the brain of the device and examined the data loaded into his system, guided by 40 keywords provided by Major General Wani. My findings from the device were as follows: clear demonstration of army procurement and logistic operational intelligence flow, and well-coordinated militia plan, and the sharing of real-time documents with some international role play, he said. He added that after completing the analysis, he submitted a report that was authenticated by South Sudan, by South African Department of International Relations and Cooperation, as well as the South Sudanese Embassy in South Africa. And he stated, I arranged for the phone to be brought back to the Republic of South Sudan to the investigating officer, sealed again in a diplomatic bag, protected with a seal tag, and accompanied by a letter from the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Peter said. He told the court that he flew to Juba on August 28, where he officially submitted his final report to Major General Wani, with members of the investigative committee present as witnesses. The court adjourned its session until Monday, February 2, 2026, when it's expected to continue hearing the presentation of the South African digital forensic expert on the specific finding. Machar and his co-accused face charges including murder, conspiracy, terrorism, treason, destruction of public property, and crime against humanity. Prosecutor alleged that SPLIO force allied with Y Army killed 257 South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF soldiers, including Commander General David Majudak, and destroy or seize military equipment valued at about $58 million during an attack on the Nasser garrison in March 2025. The trial comes amid previously undisclosed diplomatic exchange between Juba and Washington. In a confidential letter dated May 12, 2025, South Sudan government asked the United States to support the prosecution of Machar as part of a list of requests made after the country agreed to accept third country deportees from U.S. according to documents seen by Radio Tamazuch. The government also thought the lifting of U.S. sanctions on a former vice president, though detail of any commitment by Washington remain unclear. So report shaling janan shalat katin kone lat korodian kakui first by president kada kone shaling gwad me riuden dia le kolar no katicha coordinated kan nekin kondela ne kem yadi so chirman chanling no wen ano ba kwak dakam char ba kan angre wi ka South Africa ka do mi kan coordinated la kan ka ba lar no ke real ne kon dia le no kach enyok ano wa flash ke memory card ke sim card wa ka copy enyok, we mean that nika tai walwi chika lo jok chika ne diale kan kari aleke ene kwela take a strategy nika tibe nyinga bari aleke je so chicken all the planning content ang Machar chicken ko na so jen ta dan lel kana so agurko ba gwejen wo chireng Machar take tetten tel do dien me le rode so kid she plan it very well ko be Dr. Machar be je yen ke be je gangre ti jen ngai kon diale tin diala do re ka so Sudan kir jaramadan la causative ke de kolar jaramadan jeng ni jen mela tichiro den lot ko bu woj berwal ke wacce bete kamal ko ngai kon me wacce goro bete kamal cikim yadi ter diala ti ce de goro dare kala ci jamal ci tani wal banne me mi ci gene rale ka anyo gono ba ko da mta ba na South Africa ananga ke bag ba ko kam wudo dien metin we do dien e we kwa we ke gwich we mean that ti dial ti gadi gene rale ka ken already jari alaka no bikene lele di ke ba to de jen kwala cholo ko da me mutual ke kangaro code ko chicken to chicken leslet ten let kan gadi kan ka well planned no so reality kan ko na lat ke kum ke mi yadi right now ai kon we so Sudan chete kamal chengte dag ma chati re ti gen lo ko je ka lukai kam lo ge jamo ngode SPLA yo we ga woniam chen ngai kon no te ko they are advancing ko be we ga juba gwana dial so kir che plan na ma se mishalinga ga jalla ramani ram babel e kir Koryang Machar mi ram mite ko do ko coordinate ate ni ke juba dio je she chero da barbone ngaje no ba ke burun barin wo wana na ka ngade ka nasir ke wo koro to nasir bi norwa ya bi nyin ke SSPDF kien first time na nyi ni chan ko gande la kana la kan ka duai ka cham kan yin na anyo kor kien first time na nyi ga jen pai dio ke dan ina nyi ni ke jen 2024 abe ke 2025 la jui la kan nyini shanke de ni kirmi yadi so na me well planned ashir mi shangai gwasa me kam ta dana sha finding kala je kan ne ritual so that can forensic expert na me well planned mi gari aleka yana coordinated and then she can execute so changa de ni am kan la je bani lo linga no umro de lat ke je lat mi bika we woni am ki ngo bika na ladon medan da let shirka final so you mean that final don bala jan shanga mo shanka raw ka pai raw don bukan mana le road bukan lawal hat konten en winimi en biata mal ban jegri pore den bye bye